Hello students, let's continue our topic static electricity. Lesson number 8. Everybody take out your textbook and come to on page number 53. Frictional electricity. We are discussing about the static electricity. In this page you have given the electric charge generated. What is frictional electricity? The electric charge generated by friction is called frictional electricity. That when we are rubbing something, then the electric charge developed called as a frictional electricity. This charge is produced only at the place of friction. Hence it is called static electricity. It remains on the object for a short duration. The charges of static electricity are absorbed in moist. Perform these experiments. Here try this. You have given this is a very simple experiment you can try at home. What apparatus you need? A few straws, woolen cloth, a glass bottle. What is the procedure? What you have to do? Place a straw on a bottle. Take another straw near it. Observe what happens. Leave the straw on the bottle as it is. Rub the other straw against a woolen cloth and take it near the straw on the bottle. Observe what happens. Now take two straws and rub them against woolen cloth at the same time. Keep one of the straws on the bottle and take the other near it. See what happens exactly. Keep the rubbed straw on the bottle as it is. Take the woolen cloth on which it was rubbed close to it. Now record your observations. A charged straw is taken near the uncharged straw. जब भी चार्ज स्ट्रॉ इज टेकन नियर द अनचार्ज स्ट्रॉ के पास हम लोग लेंगे तो क्या होगा? What happen when we take this charge to the uncharged? The uncharged straw is attracted towards it because both have opposite charges. Two straws carrying similar charges are brought near each other. They are repulse each other. Inference क्या है? They are attract each other. They are repulse each other. Inference क्या है? Unlike charges, like charges. Third one, a charged straw and oppositely charged cloth which was used for rubbing are brought near each other. Again they are attract each other because again opposite charges are there. Now turn on to the next page. Observe and discuss. You have given observe and discuss. Take thermocol balls or mustard seeds in a bottle. Shake the bottle vigorously. The seeds try to move away from each other but stick to the bottle. Why does this happen? Because when we are rubbing to each other, both the balls of the thermocol or mustard seeds rub to each other and they have a charge, but the bottles have the surface of the bottle is uncharged, therefore they attract to that bottle and stick to it. Now again try this. You have given to charge an object by contact. अब contact से किस तरह से charge कर सकते हैं? Rub a plastic comb against your paper. Plastic comb against paper या rub your scale, your plastic scale on your hairs. Touch this comb with another uncharged comb. Take the other comb near some pieces of paper. What happened? Look at pieces of paper. They are attract to each other to this comb. To change an object by induction. To charge an object by induction. Rub a comb or a balloon on your hair as shown in the figure. Take the comb near a trickle of water from a top. Look at here. See what happened? Again it is attracted towards it because again the running tap of the water having also a charge. Now what is your observation from it? When the charged comb is brought close to the flowing water, water gets attracted. Mark on it. The charge is taken away from the flowing water. It takes attracted, repel, remain as it was initially. अट्रैक्टेड होगा, रिपेल होगा, रिमेन एज इट वाज, जो शुरुआत में था ऐसा. व्हेन द चार्ज कोम इज टेकन अवे, दूर जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, रिमेन, या जैसे जैसे दूर लेके जाएंगे हम लोग, पानी का फ्लो कैसे होगा, उसकी तरफ जाने लगेगा, अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स इट. एट फर्स्ट द फ्लो वाटर इज नॉट चार्ज, शुरुआत में क्या रहता है, नहीं, चार्ज नहीं होता. When negatively charged comb comes near the flowing water, the negative particles in the nearest comb are pushed away. जब वो चार्ज नहीं होगा, that part become positively charged due to efficiency of negative charge. The comb has negative and the water have positive, therefore they attract to each other. When the comb is taken away, the negative particle in the flowing water come back to their position, ordinary position, and positive and negative charges become equal in number. As a result, the water become uncharged again and stop getting attracted to the comb. Again, why does a charged balloon stick to a wall? क्योंकि as we rub a balloon, it having a charge and the wall having no charge, तो attract उसकी तरफ हो जाएगा. Number of positive and negative charges are equal on an uncharged and neutral object. The electric charge generated by induction stays only as long as charge object is near to it. लेकिन ये कैसा है, फॉर कुछ समय के लिए, ऑलवेज इट इज़ नॉट स्टिक टू इट टिल द बलून हैव अ चार्ज, इट स्टक टू द वॉल. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट. ट्राई दिस. कीप अ spent tube light in a dark place. Rub it vigorously with a thin polythene bag. What happened? Again it is stuck. When an uncharged aluminum ball is brought near a negatively charged balloon, the following things happen. Look at here. The first thing, as shown in the figure, an opposite charge is generated in the other object by induction and both the objects get attracted to each other. Look at here, both the objects are attracted to each other. As shown in the figure, beyond touching, both the objects become similarly charged. जैसे दोनों टच हो जाते हैं, दो have a similarly charged हो जाएंगे. And in the sea, the like charger repel each other. थोड़ी देर बाद क्या होगा, फिर वो repel each other, just like the balloon and the wall, the tap water and the comb. Now the what is gold leaf telescope. It is very important. You have to draw the diagram and write the whole gold leaf electroscope. In exam there is a question. This is a simple device to detect. This device is in our laboratory when simple device to detect the electric charge on an object. It consists of a copper rod which has a metal disc at the upper end. Have a copper rod है ऊपर में, you can see a rod which has a metal disc बिठाई गई है upper end, and two thin gold लीव्स. अंदर उसके क्या है, दोन एक पतले से गोल्ड लीव्स है एट द अदर. द रॉड इज प्लेस इन अ बॉटल. वो क्या, रॉड एक बॉटल में प्लेस है, सो दैट द डिस्क इज अबव द बॉटल, जिसके कारण डिस्क ऊपर रहेगी और गोल्ड लीफ अंदर है. व्हेन अ चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट इज टेकन नियर द डिस्क, बोथ द लीव्स आर चार्ज. जैसे ही हम लोग उसको पास में, ये चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट है, सपोज ये पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है, तो अंदर के भी कैसे हो जाते हैं, पॉजिटिवली चार्ज होता है. एंड रिपेल ईच अदर, दोनों देखो दूसरे दूर हो रहे, दोनों के मुंह इस तरह से वी बना दिए हैं. रिपेल ईच अदर, मूव अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर और ओपन अप. व्हेन वी टच द डिस्क, जैसे ही हम डिस्क को टच कर देते हैं, डिस्क विथ आवर हैंड, हमारे हाथ से, द लीव्स कोलैप्स हो जाते हैं और क्लोज हो जाते हैं. बिकम द चार्ज इन द लीव गोज इन टू द अर्थ थ्रू आवर बॉडी एंड द लीव्स गेट डिस्चार्ज. और द लीव्स कैसे हो जाते हैं, डिस्चार्ज हो जाते हैं. इसी से पता चलता है कि हाउ द इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज डेवलप्ड. यूज योर ब्रेन पावर ऑफ द साइंटिफिक इंट्रोडक्शन इज एक्सक्लूडेड फ्रॉम आवर सिलेबस. So students, what is the homework? Write all your use your brain power. Always remember what is the extra questions in your textbook. You have to note down in your notebook and write the short note of gold leaf electroscope with diagram. Students, I stop here, and in the next class we are continue with next page. till goodbye. ए मम्मा, ए राणी,
ये बुड्ढे ने भी बोला कि नहीं है।
कौन बुड्ढी है?
ये